lights are on, it's time to go. It's time at last to let him know. I believe it would be fair to say you look bewildered and you wonder why I'm here today. And so you should, I would. When I left I felt I'd had enough, but in the shape and form I appear now. I have learned to cope, and love and hope is why I am here now. And now you see another me, I've been reloaded, yeah. I'm fired up, don't shut me down. I'm like a dream within a dream that's been decoded. I'm fired up, I'm hot, don't shut me down. I'm not the one you knew, I'm now and then combined, and I'm asking you to have an open mind. I won't be the same, I'm not the same this time around. I'm fired up, don't shut me down. When you leave me standing in the hall, oh, let me enter. The apartment hasn't changed at all. I got to say I'm glad. Once these rooms were witness to our love, my tantrums and increasing frustration. But I go from bad to not so bad in my transformation. And now you see another me, I've been reloaded, yeah. I'm fired up, don't shut me down. I'm like a dream within a dream that's been decoded. I'm fired up, I'm hot, don't shut me down. I'm not the one you knew, I'm now and then combined, and I'm asking you to have an open mind. I'm not the same this time around. I'm fired up, don't shut me down. You ask me not to leave, well here I am again, and I love you still, and so I won't pretend. I have learned to cope, and love and hope is why I am here now.